Hello 4-H scientists. Today is another exciting day on our butterfly adventure. Today is the day when our butterflies are going to emerge from their chrysalis. So I have a few little clips that I want to share with you, and then we're going to see some amazing things. So here we go. We are getting some movement. Look at that. And try to film in close. We have a butterfly coming out and emerging from the pupa. Let's see if we can get that. Oh, look at him. Here comes the head. Oh, can you see the legs and the antenna? Here he comes. Oh, the proboscis. We got him! Look at that. Check out his wings. His wings are not all straight and flat and ready to fly. You'll probably see that red stuff there? That is not blood. That is called hemolymph, and that helps our butterfly. It's a lubricant, and that's going to help that helps our butterfly emerge from its pupa or chrysalis. Let's see if we can get close in on the proboscis there. Do you see those curly things? Oh, there it is. That's that straw-like piece that's going to let him eat. Isn't that awesome? Oh my goodness. This is so cool. Here it comes. Oh my goodness, look at that. It's starting to emerge. Look at that. Don't know if you can see. Oh, here he comes. There's some antenna. Oh, he's out. Look at that. Let's come around on this side. Look at that. He's going to unroll his proboscis here. See if we can get that on the screen. See the antenna. Let's notice his wings. Let's get some wings here. Notice they are not all flat and ready to fly. They are very tender right now. If we would not want to touch them because we don't want to hurt them at all, because then they wouldn't be able to fly. So we got to let them just kind of rest. Oh, there's the proboscis. Do you see that? Oh my goodness. Let me tip this back a little bit. And if you see the red on the bottom of the cup, that is actually, well, sometimes students ask, is that blood? Are they bleeding? And nope, that's actually called hemolymph. And that helps them, it's a lubricant, and that helps them to be able to wiggle out and emerge. Oh, look at that proboscis. Just unroll and roll. I'm going to move over here a little bit. Look at that. That is so awesome. Now his wings will flatten out a little bit. It'll probably be an hour or so before he's ready to fly. But look at how, I don't know if you can tell, but they're kind of curled up still a little bit. And he's going to test out the proboscis. See if we can get some good shots of that here. Can't tell if you can see that. Oh, he's beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at the wings. Oh, he's testing his legs. Getting those legs tested out. He's brand new. We're going to learn about all those parts. But right now, let's just enjoy having a new adult caterpillar with us, joining our caterpillar friends. can see if look at that one wing. It's still kind of bent up from emerging, but it will eventually get as flat as that guy's. Look at that, he's ready to fly. And he is gearing up. They will stretch out, and he will soon be able to fly. But if you ever come across a butterfly that seems like it just emerged, just let him be. Let him rest until that hemolymph is done its job and dries and drips off, and then he'll be ready to fly safely. Let's get a different angle here. Oh, that was my finger. I'm going to try to get a different angle. See if that looks different to you. Look at that. Maybe we can get some. Do you see that proboscis right there? It's kind of moving a little bit. Well, he's kind of, there he goes. Come on, show us. Show us that proboscis. Show us that proboscis. Unroll it. Look at his little feet. You see that? Oops. That is so cool. Ooh, look at that guy. There's the proboscis. Ooh! There he is. All right, we have all 5 of our butterflies have emerged. This has been such an exciting morning. I cannot wait, and we're going to come back to learning. See you. Wasn't that incredible? I was blown away by seeing their wings come out of their pupa or the chrysalis, and remember how they were just not quite very, they weren't straight, they were all kind of crinkly. In that stage, we have to be very careful, because if we see a butterfly that has just emerged, if we touch their wings before they're ready, they're going to be damaged and then won't be able to fly. So that's why we have to take very good care of them and let them get stronger so their wings get straight and stiff, and that way they'll be able to fly. Well, I cannot wait till next time, because we are going to see some pretty cool stuff for them eating and looking at their wings, and it's getting close to when we'll be able to let them go out into the world. So come on back, make it a fantastic day out there today, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.